Well, as you gain experience, you can conquer the fear of death. However, what I think is more of a problem, especially to the really dedicates, is the fear of madness. And this is a much more nebulous and not well understood phenomenon. And you have to, it's incredibly humbling. I mean, it will make you plead for mercy. It will rub your nose in it. People who have hubris can't do this very much or very long or very deeply because it won't tolerate it. I mean, it can break you. It can break anybody. And so the only defense against that is a humble, a pure heart. That's what I mean when I say I pray to it and I say, I know I'm an egomaniac. I know I'm, way out of line. Please forgive me and please don't hurt me. And then, there are techniques. The most effective technique is sing. And we Western people, when we get in there, the tendency when it gets rough is to clench and to go into a kind of a fetal, this is not the way to do it. The way to do it is to begin to move oxygen and sound around and just sing your heart out, and you will be able to ride it through, and it will respond to that. The other thing is, when I do strong psychedelics, I always have cannabis rolled and ready, and you view it as the rudder on the ship. And if I find myself sailing into there's one place that I call meat locker land. And when I see that come up, I don't wait. I just take a hit of cannabis and begin to sing. And then I can climb. You climb on the sound out of the hole toward the light. And it's very demanding. I mean, it's very, very, your whole soul, your whole being rests on being, there is no greater adventure. I mean, people run around saying, oh, every jungle's been explored, every mountain climbed. On a Saturday night in the confines of your own apartment, you can be Ferdinand Magellan if you wish. I mean, you can see things no human eye has ever gazed on before or will ever gaze upon again. That's how big it is in there. And finally, you just have to trust the stuff and trust your own preparation. Every waking moment should be a preparation for the psychedelic experience. I mean, people should read books, look at works of art, have sexual experiences, travel, spend time. Robert Frost said the secret of life is learning to enjoy people you don't approve of. And all of this, because you can't possibly be broadly enough educated to meet all the demands of the psychedelic experience. I mean, it is the challenge par excellence.